Okay. Just as I promised, I'm going to carry everybody along on our project, anything I'm building. So you can say, for that, I uh, I have been learning, I have been practicing. So now these are some of the things that I've done so far. Okay, so I'm sharing my interaction. So this is Facebook. So look very well start me grade 186, and I told you that it was because of my exam that I had to give it in books. In that day, I need to cover the something page. So now I know, yeah, I'm not trying to rush some of these things that happened them before, but reading them now and using book and everything is giving me a clear understanding. You understand? So now what I do is that when I read a particular page, they give me a particular code. I think this is function. I'm trying to get such an arbitrary keyword argument. Since that when it's just passing an argument, one particular one, or if if you passing so many like what's arbitrary argument saying is let me know to pause this video. Let me show you. Now, what I do is I'm going to use my VS Code practice. So if you look very well, you see a lot of food I've tried. See that I'm putting a lot of the text code and all those into exercises that I'm giving me there. So what this thing do is that they just teach you about a particular concept that you want to learn. So in this part now, I'm learning how to use different control structure and then using a dictionary. Now, when you know this code, let me bring this in. When you know this code, so you get a particular area for the total position and then later additional planning position, you get one. We're using the L and L statements to actually get what uh, we need to do. Do you understand? So now, when you look at them one by one, you see this particular one now, you have to take in values you get, and when you get some particular value, it's going to return some. So let's just try it now. What's the area for this answer now? Because it's going to bring bank components, bring out some stuff. Since there's a UPI, so you look through the area and everything you get. So if this code, what it does is moving like you're trying to have the concept of a game. When you reach social position, the follow is going to change. When you reach social position, the follow is going to change. But just using it to text and things like that thing. One of the one I worked from recently, this one that's called written. Let me see this thing called pages. So it's called written. So what it does is that it takes in a name and then you look to press Q to quit the program. So all these things are very basic. So my first thing now is now wait. But last thing, yeah, my age. Now this is where it's very important. Like then put out in which is going to go hello. Now the twins. So now it's going to look. That's why I don't know why. Whether the condition is still to keep them see you exposed. When you now reach a particular condition is met, you now be like, okay, now there is going to stop. So if I put Q now, okay, my first to improve everything the program have a nice day. So now let's do the other part again. So now let's go again with the last so period and then I put each let's assume that I'm checking to slap it returns another output. Hello, I'm returning your age is 12. So this is what I'm doing. I just come to one of the exercise and try to solve them in next by looking at what they did and trying to do my own. So this one now is um a particular function that returns an access and then the preferred address. So sorry, you see that the function is still running because I've not been getting the program. That's one thing about why I do. So now let's run the particular one. Let's see. So what is the I address? Now let's assume that the preferred address is K. Let me see. wait, so what the figure album of this artist, James now, currently writing album, but maybe we should see what's class. Start yes, how many track, let's say one track, if it's from a dictionary, with the dictionary is something I can use to store the data. The keyword for them to which have access is down there. So this function now, that's what it does. So this is me trying to practice what I'm learning. Maybe. So I'm going to create a project. There's a particular part in Facebook I have to do projects, like those projects where we build projects. So but now I'm trying to learn concepts, practice, and there are so many things down here. And so this is make t-shirts. Another function again that you can use to then practice making t-shirts. So let me clear this and see what this particular function does. On our other side. So in this function, I put it in such a way that if you choose A, it's going to just write I love Python. And if you choose medium, enter I love Python. And it doesn't matter if you put small or compiler, say I'm putting small A, put small A and say what's the message and say shirts or something and they have there's no problem. So let us say I want it to be error or error none. So it's not going to accept this. Need to just print out I love Python. So now let's assume now that you choose another color. And then I say large or hidden. So let's assume now I choose FFL. So as been so what the message now so we will go it's going to be t-shirt, it's t-shirt and print on shirt is without putting see. So that's because there's operation. So this is just practice. So there's not just talking and talking about it. Every day. I try to my first best to go for 9 o'clock to like 2 o'clock. But I'm doing this video now by 1:48 because within the day there was no light. Nobody doesn't put light like this evening. So I have to keep some of my quota. So this is basic stuff, learning basic stuff. So you also can learn if you are trying to learn Python. So this is where I am now in the book beyond the land it is. So you can also do it. So I think that I can't wait to reach the part where I will use Django. So I can create a website or something like a very tangible project. So that is all I have to say today. So I'm going to upload a video on my TikTok and LinkedIn. I'm trying to build a problem. I'm trying to say everybody what I'm doing. I don't want to be doing because all these things I'm learning now, I learned them like years back for do anything. They just did some little projects and left it. So I've not even really started doing because after this, we're going to now start doing Python for data science. After that, we're going to do Python machine learning. So we're making a machine learning book and we're implementing what the machine learning book to be a very good model and then so along the line we learn as we practice keep practicing. I'm not learning, I'm not cramming any of the school. What I just know is when it's time for me to do something like this, I just look at some of the things I've done before and they just giving me this sense of learning. So let's just assume that my native is Missouri. Trying to teach all my best everything to understand. So see you next this is Kelvin. Okay. Yeah, cool. So bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye.